Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to make your cleaning routine easier and more efficient: the Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful stick vacuum with an impressive 58 kPa suction, LED touchscreen, and a variety of smart features. We've linked this product in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this cordless vacuum is all about. This stick vacuum stands out thanks to its robust 650W brushless motor that generates a staggering 58 kPa of suction power. It's designed to tackle everything from deep-seated dirt in carpets to fine dust on hardwood floors and tiles. With a runtime of up to 70 minutes on eco mode, this vacuum is perfect for whole home cleaning without the need to recharge frequently. One of the first things you'll notice is the LED touchscreen, which allows you to easily switch between 4 suction modes: ECO, Standard, Boost, and Auto. The Auto mode is particularly impressive because it intelligently adjusts the suction based on the surface you're cleaning. This means if you move from a hard floor to a carpeted area, the vacuum will automatically increase its suction power for deeper cleaning. This seamless transition makes it incredibly user-friendly, eliminating the need for manual adjustments while you're in the middle of cleaning. Another highlight is the anti-tangle brush design. The V-shaped roller brush comes with comb-like teeth that effectively prevent pet hair and long hair from wrapping around it, ensuring that your vacuum stays clog-free. This feature is a game-changer for pet owners and anyone who has to deal with long hair on a regular basis. Plus, the vacuum is equipped with upgraded green LED headlights that illuminate dimly lit areas and help you spot fine dust under furniture. The 180 degrees plus 90 degrees swivel brush head makes maneuvering around table legs and edges a breeze, so you won't have to worry about missing those hard-to-reach spots. The filtration system is another key feature worth mentioning. This cordless vacuum includes an 8-in-1 sealed filtration system that captures 99% of fine particles, reducing the chances of secondary dust being released back into your home. This makes it an excellent choice for families, especially those with kids or allergy sufferers, as it promotes a cleaner and healthier living environment. Now, let's discuss who this vacuum is suitable for. If you're someone who values efficient and thorough cleaning, whether you have pets, kids, or just a busy lifestyle, this vacuum is designed with you in mind. Its multifunction accessory set comes with 3 different attachments that can tackle high and low places, from ceiling corners to window frames and everything in between. The butterfly-shaped nozzle is particularly useful for removing pet hair from beds, car seats, and clothing, making it a versatile tool for maintaining cleanliness in various settings. In practical use, this vacuum shines in homes with multiple flooring types. Whether you're transitioning from carpets to hardwood floors or tackling upholstery and crevices in your car, this vacuum is designed to handle it all. With its self-standing feature, you can easily pause your cleaning session without needing to lean it against a wall. Plus, it offers 2 convenient charging options. You can either charge it on the wall mount dock or remove the detachable battery for separate charging, adding flexibility to your daily cleaning routine. In summary, the cordless vacuum cleaner with its powerful suction, smart features, and versatility makes it an excellent investment for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning tasks. Thanks for watching. If this video